Right. Okay. My floods. Let me show you them. They're all here. Including my big flood. So the first flood design that I have is this one that I showed you in my other video. Now we made 2 of these flood designs because they're my best. Now these floods can slip into their little homes like this. Now, the next flood I have is a bit more realistic because the pumps are actually halfway up and the tank is at the bottom. So there's the tank there. They can hold on to these bars right here. And this we have made a hover nozzle for. So yeah, this one goes right here. Now this is a flood that they can wear when they put this armor bit on. So yeah. Now this is my big flood. Now this flood, of course, we haven't made a person big enough to hold it. It's quite detailed and stuff. Now I have made all the other nozzles for this one, which I will show you later. And this big flood goes in here. Now this flood is my most blockiest one I think I have. And they can hold on to here like this. And this flood is cool because, as in the game, when Mario is not using the flood, he just folds down like this when he's not using them. So yeah, fold back up, and he can go just in there. Now this one can actually hold water. This tank here, you can put water inside it, but you can't tip it out of the nozzle because it's blocked. So this one I think is actually my most blockiest one. Just use simple pegs to slip into here. So yeah, now the other nozzles for my big one, I can show you them now. So I have my big flood on right now with his hover nozzle, so I can just spray up like this. So now I have the flood on with this rocket nozzle, so I can go like that. Now I have flood on with this turbo nozzle, so I can go. Yeah, floods are quite fun to play with. Now of course we have made the boxes for them nozzles that we can jump on top of. Now all of the boxes are all nozzles for this first design flood. So inside this box we have his rocket nozzle. Like that. Just put it in. Now in this box we have its hover nozzle. Just slip in like that. And in this box we have its turbo nozzle. And this one is a bit different because it's for the other design of the flood. But anyway, yeah, these 2 floods here. I hope that these floods gave you inspiration if you want to make your own flood or something. And maybe I'll do building instructions for them. I don't know. Maybe not. But yeah, all my floods everywhere. And I will be making more videos to complete your Super Mario Sunshine experience. So, oh, and also the quackies, the little animals that like fling you up. Woo. We call them quackies. I don't know if they're actually called that, but yeah, quackies too. Of course, we had to make quackies. They're big part. I already made one too. So, there we are. Goodbye, guys.